Hey everyone, today we've got something special for all you printing enthusiasts out there. It's the PRINKUS 414X Toner Cartridges 4-pack replacement. Will this be your printer's new best friend or just another cartridge pretender? Let's find out. Welcome to the Inspect Aspect. I'm Brian, your go-to guy for honest, straightforward reviews. Whether you're printing reports or photographs, having the right toner is crucial. Today, we're diving into the PRINKUS 414X Toner Cartridges replacement. These promise reliability and quality. Let's see if they live up to the hype. Reliability. The PRINKUS 414X is highly reliable and works seamlessly with compatible printers, ensuring consistent performance. High page yield. With the capability of providing up to 7,500 pages for black and 6,000 pages per color, these cartridges are built to last. Chip convenience. These cartridges come with pre-installed chips, so there's no extra hassle with installation. Vivid printing. Users report vibrant and clear prints, perfect for both text and images. Printer compatibility. While the toner is compatible with many models, it's restricted to specific printer lines. Initial setup. Some users might find the initial setup instructions a bit lacking. Durability issues. There have been a few mentions of cartridge malfunctions over extended periods. Recycling. The recycling options for these cartridges aren't the most user-friendly. Final thoughts. After all is said and done, the PRINKUS 414X cartridges offer impressive performance within their scope. They're reliable, long-lasting, and deliver high-quality prints, making them a solid choice for many. However, if your printer isn't listed under supported models, or you find the setup challenging, you might want to explore alternatives. But overall, for the majority of users, these cartridges are a convenient and effective solution. Check out the links on screen and down below for the best prices and details. Thanks for watching, and if you found this review helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights.